Sige, pakpaki ang group 1. Okay. So, okay, better luck next time, ha? So, bawi next time, okay? Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Teacher Sheila.
Okay, today is Thursday, April 11. We will do our weekly task. First, Gina.
Carnival. Carnival is like a festival. There are many entertainment and activities at Carnival. People play at shop the Carnival. There are music and song in the Carnival. People dance together and Carnival. Every carnival has a theme to celebrate.
Okay, thank you, Gina. Next, RG.
Carnival is festival. Carnival is like a festival. There are many entertainment activities at the carnival. People play and shop at the carnival. There are music and songs in the carnival. People dance together in the carnivals. Every carnival has a theme to celebrate.
Okay, next, Genevieve.
Carnival is like a festival. There are many entertainment activities at the carnival. People play and shop at the carnival. There are music and songs in the carnival. People dance together in carnivals. Every carnival has a theme to celebrate.
Okay, Nigel.
Carnival is like a festival. There are many entertainment activities at the carnival. There are people play and shop at the carnival. There are music and songs in the carnival. People dance together in carnivals. Every carnival has a theme to celebrate.
Okay, next, Savina.
Carnival is like a festival. There are many entertainment activities at the carnival. People play and shop at the carnival. There are music and song and the carnival. People dance together and carnival. Every carnival has a theme to celebrate.
Okay, next, Juliet.
Carnival is like a festival. There are many entertainment activities at the carnival. People play and shop at the carnival. There are music and songs in the carnival. People dance together in carnivals. Every carnival has a theme to celebrate.
Okay. Okay, thank you everyone.
You're welcome, Teacher Shola.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye!
Good evening, class.
Good evening, Teacher Luis. Good evening, classmates. It's nice to see you this evening.
Okay, you may take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, today, so natay words diri sa board. Ang kanisya nga mga words is about sa katong story nato nga why the cats and dogs are enemies. Ngano kaha nga ang cats ug dogs is magkaaway. So mo ni ang mga words dito nga lisod-lisod ato kanan og meaning nakasabot.
Yes, sir.
Okay, basahan na to ang mga words. Read.
Hanging, divide, bush, consider, reach, enemy or enemies.
Okay, so mo ni ang mga words sa so ato kanan og unsay mga meaning. First,
Hanging, suspended in the air.
okay, suspended on the air. So kung hanging sa Bisaya pa nagbitay. Mga nagbitay. So ang example ana isang atong cortina. Nagbitay siya kay suspended in the air o kana atong mga hinay-hay. Okay? At umangyahay suspended in the air. So nakasabot unsa ang hanging?
Yes, sir.
So ang hanging unsa sa Bisaya?
Nagbitay.
Okay, very good. Next is divide. Read.
Separate.
Separate.
Separate or be separated into parts.
Bahin-bahinon ang meaning sa divide. Bahin-bahinon. Unsa man ang bahin-bahinon? So, okay, tunga-tunga. Ang example, ana ang pizza. Okay, very good. So, ang pizza, kaya ang pizza, di ba, circle man ano? Tapos, gi-slice siya og ka-8. So, ang sulod sa usa ka pizza or pizza box, kay usa ka circle with 8 slices. So, mao na siya ang example sa gi-divide or gi-separate or bahin-bahinon. Nakasabot sa divide?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Next is bush. Read.
Bush.
Shrub.
Shrub or lap of shrubs with stems of moderate length.
Okay, so ang kanang bush sa Bisaya pa is kasagbutan. Okay, very good. Kasagbutan. So example lang ha, pakit-on ta mo unsa na siya ang bush. So mao ni siya ang bush. Tanan niyo ha, mao ni siya ang bush. So di ba mura siya og kanang gigunting-gunting siya kay mura siya gi-stylan. So nani ang bush ha. Okay, so mao na siya ang bush. So dira ni tago ang katong
Dog.
okay, ang dog nga unsa may gibit-bit sa dog ato?
Meat.
Okay, ang piece of meat nga mao na ang reason nga nung magkaaway ang cats and dogs. Okay, next is consider. Read.
Consider. Think carefully about something
Typically.
before making a decision.
Okay, so ang kanang consider sa Bisaya pa is huna-hunaon. So huna-hunaon nimo kung sakto ba natong gibuhat o imong gibuhat or ang akong gibuhat. So may example ana kay maghuna-huna ka. Sa kay huna-hunaon ako no nga para makapasar ko. Unsa kong buhaton. No, maghuna-huna ka unsay mga way nga modako pa kung grado so maghuna-huna ka. Consider pagka sa mga opinion sa lain. Kasabot ng opinion kanang dili tinod ha opinion baka sabot kong opinion kanang istorya ninyo mo ambag mo. For example, si Rico is gagmay og grado. Naay opinion si John Paul, mo istorya si John Paul nga Rico nindot unta nga magtuon ka o mupas ka sa mga projects para modako ang imong grado. So, ang katong giingon ni John Paul, gi-consider ni Rico nga dapat nako ning buhaton. So, ni-consider nga katong gistorya nimo, gistorya ni John Paul is i-consider ni Rico nga iyang buhaton para motaas ang grado ni Rico. Nakasabot. O huna-hunaon. Unsa ang consider?
Huna-hunaon.
Okay, next is ang reach. Read.
Reach. Stretch out an arm in a
Specified
direction in order to catch or grasp
grasp
something.
Okay, so sa Bisaya paiskab-uton nato. For reach, for example, kaning solar ako i-reach. So ako kab-uton. So mao na ang reach. So nakasabot unsa ang reach?
Yes, sir.
Unsa ang reach?
Kab-uton.
Okay, kab-uton. Pareha sa inyong hinayhayan. Hinayhay na inyong kab-uton para mahayhay ninyo inyong sanina nga gilabhan. Okay, next is enemy or enemies. Read.
Enemy or enemies. A person who is
Actively
opposed
oppose
or
hostile or hostile.
to someone or something.
Okay, kaning enemy is kaaway. Okay, kanang kaaway. So, mao na siyang enemy ha. Pasabutan na is kaaway.
Hi, what is your name?
I'm Remy Sianesca.
Marry me? Okay, so just give your first name lang ha. Marry me. Okay, marry me. Since you are interested to join in the study room for self-study, okay, so I will ask random questions about multiplication table. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so do not be nervous ha. Okay, just focus. Okay, let's start. 6 times 4.
24.
Very good. Let's have 7 times 6.
42.
8 times 4. 8
32.
times 4. Okay, 32. Let's have 9 times 7.
63.
Let's have 5 times 9.
45.
Okay, let's have 8 times 6.
48.
Let's have 8 times 7.
56.
8 times 9.
72.
9 times 9.
81.
5 times 9.
45.
40. Marry me. Since you answer all the possible questions for the random multiplication, I am now congratulating you. You are part now of the study room self-study. Okay? So you may come there in the study room to study activities, modules, or you may read books, important educational books. Okay? So tomorrow you will come to the study room, ha? Okay? You will go there 5 to 6 p.m. for the self-study. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye, marry me.
Bye-bye.
Okay, pila na edad ni mo marry me?
11.
Okay, you are 11 years old and you are grade?
6.
Okay, great.